Hi guys, I'm Miss Chen. Last time we learned the mouth and the sun radicals. Today we are going to learn some more. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first one I think you must be familiar with. Yeah, it means hand. When we learn sports, playing basketball or tennis, we use this character here, right? Now we will learn about the hand radical. Next, we can learn the foot radical. So next time, when you see characters with this radical, you will know their meaning is related to food. These two radicals we learned today are not difficult to remember, but are difficult to write. So after class, you need to practice more, okay? I believe in you. Here's a small test for you guys. You need to find 3 characters with these radicals. Good luck!